Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison lined up for you.
We'll be comparing two dash cams that are making waves in the market.
On the left, we have the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera.
Get ready for some serious dash cam showdown.
Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $25.
That's a steal, folks.
On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera is priced at $79.
It's a bit higher, but does it offer enough value to justify the price tag? Let's find out. Now let's talk about installation.
The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit takes the lead here.
It's super easy to install thanks to its permanent hidden cable and the handy installation tool provided. No more hassle of using a cable from your car's cigarette lighter socket. It's a breeze, folks. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera also offers a convenient installation process. No hidden cables here, but its mini and hidden design won't block your view while driving.
Safety and functionality, check.
Now let's dive into the features. The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit offers 24 hours of surveillance thanks to its connection to the car battery or fuse box power. It can even stay powered on when your car is turned off. Talk about peace of mind.
But hold on, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera has something up its sleeve too.
With its advanced StarVis sensor and 6-glass lens, it captures every detail of your drive in ultra-clear 2.5K resolution. Plus, its super night vision technology ensures sharp footage even in low-light conditions. Impressive, right?
Let's not forget about the extra features.
The REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit comes with multiple security protections, including low voltage protection and overheat prevention. Safety first, folks. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera offers seamless loop recording triggered by its G-sensor.
It also has a parking mode and time-lapse feature, which ensures your car is under surveillance round the clock.
Talk about going the extra mile.
Last but not least, let's talk about warranty. The REDTIGER F7 dash cam hardwire kit comes with a 1-year free replacement warranty for any quality problems.
That's a solid warranty, folks. And the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera is backed by a 1-year warranty and a 45-day full refund policy.
They're confident in their product, and that's always a good sign.
Overall, the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit is praised for its affordability and easy installation. Reviewers also appreciate the continuous surveillance feature and multiple security protections. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera receives high marks for its high-resolution footage and versatile extra features like seamless loop recording and parking mode.
Both products have positive reviews and offer solid warranties.
And that's a wrap, folks.
We've compared the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit and the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K fort dash camera.
Both have their own unique features and advantages. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, always make an informed decision before making a purchase.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.
Stay smart and happy shopping, everyone!